Welcome to Dropshipping Hustle, your go-to channel for all things e-commerce and business development. Today, we're diving into a topic that is crucial for anyone looking to start a business in Idaho. How much does an LLC cost in Idaho? Whether you're looking to protect your personal assets or streamline your business operations, forming an LLC, limited liability company, is one of the best decisions you can make. Let's break down the costs, process, and everything else you need to know to get your LLC up and running in Idaho. Understanding the basics of an LLC in Idaho. Before we jump into the costs, it's important to understand why you might want to form an LLC. An LLC is a popular business structure because it offers several key benefits. Limited liability protection. Owners, called members, are not personally liable for the debts and liabilities of the LLC. Tax flexibility. LLCs can be taxed as a sole proprietorship, partnership, S corporation, or corporation, depending on your preferences and business needs. Credibility. Having an LLC can add legitimacy to your business, which can be appealing to customers, partners, and investors. Step-by-step breakdown of LLC costs in Idaho. When forming an LLC in Idaho, there are several fees and considerations you need to be aware of. Let's break these down. 1. Filing the Articles of Organization. The first step in forming an LLC in Idaho is to file the Articles of Organization with the Idaho Secretary of State. This document officially establishes your LLC and includes details such as your business name, address, and the name of your registered agent. Cost. The filing fee for the Articles of Organization in Idaho is $100. This is a one-time fee that you must pay to get your LLC officially registered. 2. Registered agent fees. Every LLC in Idaho must have a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or business entity that agrees to accept legal documents on behalf of your LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in Idaho and be available during regular business hours. While you can act as your own registered agent, many business owners choose to hire a professional registered agent service to ensure compliance and peace of mind. Cost. Professional registered agent services in Idaho typically cost around $39 per year. A trusted service like Northwest Registered Agent offers great value at this price, including services such as mail forwarding, legal document handling, and compliance reminders. Check the link in the video description to sign up with Northwest Registered Agent today. 3. Operating Agreement. Although not mandatory in Idaho, an operating agreement is a crucial document for your LLC. This internal document outlines the structure of the LLC, including the management structure, ownership percentage, and operational procedures. It's a good idea to create one to avoid any future disputes. Cost. You can create an operating agreement yourself using templates available online or get assistance from legal professionals. Costs vary, but typically, you might pay anywhere between $50 and $200 for a professionally drafted document. 4. EIN, Employer Identification Number. An EIN is a unique number assigned to your LLC by the IRS for tax reporting purposes. Most LLCs are required to get an EIN, even if they don't have employees, because it helps separate your business's finances from your personal finances. Cost. Obtaining an EIN is free when you apply directly through the IRS website. However, if you prefer to use a service to obtain it on your behalf, some companies charge a fee, typically around $50 to $100. 5. Annual Report Filing. In Idaho, LLCs are required to file an annual report every year with the Secretary of State. This report ensures that your business is still active and in good standing. Cost. The filing fee for an annual report in Idaho is $0. However, keep in mind that if you miss the deadline or fail to file, you could incur penalties or risk losing your LLC status. 6. Business licenses and permits. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need additional licenses or permits to operate legally in Idaho. These requirements can vary by industry and location. Cost. The cost of licenses and permits varies significantly depending on your business type, industry, and location within Idaho. It's essential to check with local government offices or consult with a professional to ensure compliance. Additional costs to consider. While the initial costs of forming an LLC in Idaho are fairly straightforward, there are a few other costs you may need to consider depending on your specific situation. Legal and accounting fees. If you need legal advice or help with filing taxes, you may incur additional fees for consulting with an attorney or accountant. These costs can vary, but on average, you might expect to pay between $100 and $300 per hour for professional services. Website and marketing. In today's digital age, having an online presence is essential. You may want a budget for website hosting, domain registration, and marketing efforts such as social media advertising, which can range from a few dollars to thousands of dollars depending on your business goals. Ongoing compliance. To keep your LLC in good standing, there may be other ongoing costs such as renewing business licenses or paying taxes. It's important to stay up to date with these requirements to avoid penalties. Why use Northwest Registered Agent for your LLC? While you could technically handle all of these steps yourself, it's often easier and more efficient to enlist the help of a professional registered agent service. This ensures that you don't miss any important deadlines or legal filings, and it provides peace of mind knowing that your LLC is being handled by experts. Northwest Registered Agent is one such service that has built a reputation for providing top-notch registered agent services at a reasonable price. For just $39 per year, Northwest Registered Agent will take care of all your compliance needs, including receiving and forwarding legal documents, providing a physical address in Idaho for your LLC, sending reminders for important filings and deadlines. Choosing Northwest Registered Agent ensures that you have the support you need to run your business smoothly and stay in compliance with state regulations. Forming an LLC in Idaho. Brief summary of costs and considerations. Forming an LLC in Idaho can be a straightforward process with the right information and preparation. The costs involved, such as filing fees, registered agent services, and additional licenses, are relatively affordable when you consider the long-term benefits of protecting your business and personal assets. If you want to get started with your LLC today, I recommend checking out Northwest Registered Agent for hassle-free and reliable service at just $39 per year. Remember, getting your LLC in place is just the beginning of your entrepreneurial journey, so take the first step toward building your business today. For more detailed guidance on setting up your LLC or other business-related topics, don't forget to check the description of the video for links and resources. Thanks for tuning in to Dropshipping Hustle. We'll see you in the next video.